ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕಾಡಿನಂತೆ. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾದಂತಹ ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಊರ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತನ್ನ ಬೆಳಕ ಪಸರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುವ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತು ಎಂಬ ಸುಂದರ ನಿದ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ಎದ್ದು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ಭವ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನುಡಿಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಶೀಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರನ್ನು.
who has graciously accepted our invitation His message to always be kind, curious, and happy. Let's all promise to study well, respect our elders, and play with joy. Once again, happy Children's Day to all my dear friends and teachers. Thank you.
Of India. He said that today's children are tomorrow's citizens, and so we must nurture them with care and wisdom. Children's Day is not just a celebration of your presence, dear student, but a reminder to us teachers and adults that children are the real strength of our nation. You bring joy, hope, and new dreams to our world. As teachers, we are truly blessed to be part of your journey, to watch your learn, grow and shine. Every question you ask, every smile you share, and every challenge you take up inspires us to do better. On this day, I want to remind all our children, believe in yourself, work hard and stay kind. Never stop dreaming because your dreams will shape tomorrow's India. So dear students, enjoy your day to the fullest, love, play and celebrate your beautiful spirit. Happy Children's Day to all the lovely children. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya. Today is 14th November that we are celebrating the Children's Day. It is the birth anniversary of our India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I wish you to all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is also known as the Bhag Diwas. Now I am going to speak about the importance of children's education. Education plays a very important role in our life. Without education, we can't succeed and achieve anything. Education is an important tool of our life. It helps us to learn new and good things. It increases self-confidence and it also develops problem-solving skills. It makes us independent and helps us to become a good citizen. Education is essential as to make this world a better place for living. Once again, happy Children's Day to all my dear friends. Thank you.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಸಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Children's Day to all my dear children. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತ ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು? ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಈಗ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಪಾಪ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವ ನೀವೀಗ? ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ